really proud to say that I can finally say that I finished the desk makeover that I've been wanting to do for half a year now. These instructions really suck because there are only 2 of these, but there are like 4 holes, so what do I do with them? I don't know. Then one time I do buy a more expensive thing and then something like this happens. But I figured it out and successfully finished the first part of this story, which was the desk chair. And I'd be lying if I said I did it alone, because I couldn't have done this without the help of my cat, because he majored in engineering. But he's lazy and unemployed at the moment, so I figured, why wouldn't he help me? And then before we go on to the next chapter, I want to tell you about these 5 plants that also need to find a place in my room. And if you know me, you know I have a lot of plants already. This is how it looked before the makeover. A horrible place, full of trash and stuff that doesn't belong there. There was nothing left to do but to clean, hang up this really cute little plant and enjoy how everything looked afterward. Now you might think, oh my cookie, this is a ridiculously short video, Maddie. Well, yes, it is, but that's not all. While working during my internship at this desk that I still wasn't quite happy with, I realized there was something missing. A ridiculous amount of stickers that I bought on Etsy about my favorite creature in the world. No, it's not Cookie Monster. It starts with a T and it ends on big fluffy thing. I was so happy with all these stickers that I really had to show you every single one of them. I eventually decided to cut some of them so that I could fit them onto my keyboard. I've had this computer for about 3 to 4 years, I think. I bought it back in 2017. It was refurbished from a Dutch site. Refurbished devices are much better for the environment and for your wallet. It was also my very first laptop and my very first Apple project. This MacBook Air dates from 2013, so it's a little bit old. And you can definitely see that when working with big files like I do for video editing, but for now it works perfectly fine. And this is the final result. I am really happy how it turned out eventually. It was much better than how this looked before. And I've been procrastinating this for quite some time because I just really didn't want to start. So I'm really proud that I can finally say that I'm done and that I have this video ready. Am I going to buy more stickers and become some kind of an fangirl and art hoe? Yeah, probably. Am I going to enjoy it? Also, yes. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope to see you in another video. I also have a room makeover coming soon to my channel, so please stay tuned for that and subscribe for more. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye!